back to my channel. Happy Friday. It is technically the weekend now. At least it is for me with this massive time difference. Anyways, so if you know, which you probably don't because I don't really talk about this on my channel, but my new obsession at the moment is Squishmallows. Squishmallows. They're literally all I think about all the time. And I've been having a very hard time in this foreign country trying to find Squishmallows because they are only sold at Claire's. We don't have Target, we don't have Walmart, we don't have Hallmark or Five Below or any of the other squish sites, and it's been so hard. So I just need an outlet. I just need someone to talk about my Squishmallows to. So that's going to be you today, and we're going to be talking about my Squish ISO list, my squish list, my squish must find list. I'm really excited about this, so let's just dive right into it. So first and foremost, I don't know when I'm going to post this, but it is about a month before Halloween right now. And I have been seeing the Halloween squish everywhere, and every time I see them, I just want them more and more, and there are 3 that I want like crazy, and I keep sending my boyfriend out to go find them for me because obviously I don't have access to like Walgreens or CVS or Kroger's or anything. So I've been like begging him to go look for these 3 Halloween Squishmallows for me. The first one, if you know me, you know I absolutely love cats. Like love cats. So Autumn, the cat, is one of my top Halloween squish. So cute. It's strange too because like I hate the fabric on Autumn. Just like hands down, I am very picky with fabrics that I like and I don't like it, but I think Autumn is just so cute and I love cats so much. And like a black cat, Halloween, perfect combination right there, you know? So Autumn is definitely on my list. And then speaking of that like gross fabric, for the record, I like hated the color orange and then I like dyed my hair orange last month. Now I like orange, I guess. So Tangy the bat is also up on this list. I think Tangy is so cute despite the gross fabric. Tangy's just adorable. Like genuinely just adorable. And then I have no clue what this guy is called and I can't find their name on Reddit or anything, which is typically how I find out like the names of squish that I see and I think are really cute is through like the Squishmallow subreddit. But this is like, you know, combination orange and black. Black cat meets orange pumpkin. This guy whose name I genuinely don't know. So if you do know this guy's names, let me know because they're adorable and I want them, and it's a cat and a pumpkin. Cats are so cute. I love cats so much. Moving onwards on our list, this one is everybody's cottagecore dream, probably on every single person's wish list in the entire universe who is queer. May I present to you Malcolm the mushroom? Obviously. Mushrooms are one of my favorite foods. I love the aesthetic. I have a chronic condition that leaves like these bruises all over my body basically, and I really want to like tattoo a mushroom garden over them and like use that pigment that's there from this condition to make like a really pretty mushroom art piece. Let me know if that was too TMI, but genuinely I've always loved mushrooms. I always played Toadette in Mario Kart growing up. My brother was always Toad. I literally eat mushrooms with everything. I saw Malcolm and I was like, yep, I need that. I need him. Next on my list is, if you know me, you know I am absolutely obsessed with sea animals, completely obsessed with sea animals. So of course we need some sea animals on this list, and our first sea animal of the day is Stacy. I love Stacy. I first discovered Stacy through a TikTok of someone finding this beautiful squish on in Marshalls, I think it was Marshalls or like TJ Maxx. And then I found out that Stacy also has anxiety and I was like, why is this me as a Squishmallow? A sea animal with anxiety. Sorry, I just love Stacy. I relate to Stacy's story and just what a cutie. So next up on my list is also someone who reminds me of myself, Clover the Cow. And why I absolutely adore Clover is because they're non-binary, just like me, and I think it would just be really cool to have a non-binary squish. I currently don't have one, kind of, saying kind of because my friend back home is like holding multiple squish for me, and one of the squish he's holding for me is Jingles, who is also non-binary. Clover is so cute, and like they remind me of this like really good memory back from middle school where I was with my two best friends who you might remember because we all started this channel together, and we went to like Oberwise one day and they had like cows out back, and we were like just by the cows, just hanging out. We drank a ton of chocolate milk. And I don't know why, but anytime I see a cow, I think of that like really good memory from like 6th grade, which is completely random, but non-binary squish, that reminds me of something really happy. It just, you know, all of these are kind of cottagecore themed, except for Stacy and the Halloween ones, but this one I also feel like is a little cottagecore themed. And this one is Wendy the Frog, who I just adore. I love frogs. When I was like a little kid, I was absolutely obsessed with amphibians and reptiles and insects. Yeah, I just love frogs. I always have, I always will. Our next one, bum bum bum. So I am dyslexic, and I always get this one's name confused because I can't remember if it's a D or a G, and I am so sorry. I try so hard and I just can't do it. My mind literally flips the letters every single time I see this squish, which by the way is another sea animal squish. I already have Aziza the Stingray, and this is a different stingray. This one is Maggie, but I always flip D and G's in my head, and I have like the worst time trying to remember like the difference between the two. I love sea animals. I love sea animals so much. I have Aziza. I know there's another stingray too, who's, I think the name is King, who I found on the Walmart site and has been up on my browser for like 3 weeks now, but I don't buy from Walmart, and it's causing me an internal crisis right now because I want this squish so bad, but I don't want to buy it from Walmart. Next up we have Avery, the mallard duck. My favorite animal growing up was a duck, specifically mallard ducks. I can even make a duck noise. They're my entire favorite animal. Everything I owned was duck themed, from a duck soap dispenser to towels to rugs to sheets, pillowcases. I had everything duck themed, and I saw Avery the mallard duck. I was like, that was my favorite type of duck, and I need this duck in my life. So Avery the mallard duck is of course next on my list. Oh, that was actually all of my list. Sorry, I went through that so fast. This is like the fastest I've ever spoken, but I also haven't made a video in a month, especially a sit-down video like this. I think it's been about 2 months, so I'm a little out of my game. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching me today. Let me know, what is your dream squish? What are your dream squishes? Because I know there's more than one. I would love to hear about them down below, and I would love to hear about why they are significant to you. How did you find them? What is their name? What animal are they? Do you collect your squishes? Let me know. I really need more people who I can just like gush over this with, because this has taken over my life. And like, I'm in a foreign country where they don't even sell squish. It's not even a country listed as a place where they sell squish, and I've managed to find 2 Santiagos and a Tristan, and I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching me today. I hope you have a wonderful Friday or wonderful day of the week whenever you're watching this. And that's all. Thank you so much.